Good morning. Today we can discuss one of the other major important thing in our Android. So that is first I'm creating a project. We'll give you the definition for that. What is that? So first I'm creating that name called fragments. So we'll discuss in detail what is fragment and all. See, now I'm creating the project. Here we need to discuss about the fragment. What is fragment first? Fragment is nothing but it's a piece of activity. It's a piece of activity. Like how, say, this is my XML file. In this, I can split this into multiple projects like this. These all are the pieces of activity like this: one piece, two piece, three piece, whatever it should be. How many pieces you want, that many. This is nowadays very very important. If one application is there, means that we can split into multiple things, that we can load data easily of this. What happens if this pieces, if it is, what is the benefit of this? Means this each piece I can create as a one separate fragment. So if we create one separate fragment, then that has here that has here separate code base for that, means separate file for that. If it is in a separate file, then easily we can access the data without any load on the single class. Also that we can reuse. So easily access and reusability wherever you want. Reusability wherever you want. So that how it happens, first we'll concentrate today here on a basic program. How this basic program I'm writing here is, see, this is my activity. This activity here I am splitting into two parts. The first part is this, and the second part I am creating here second part. This second part is for the fragment. Here in this one button is there. When I click this button here, this can be replaced by here. Again here in this one more button, once I click on this button, again this can be replaced. Again last, when I'm clicking on this button, it can be displayed like this. Simple way here, two fragments, two activities. So this is the activity. In the first activity, first we are replacing with the fragment of portion. Then again clicking on this, it should come here. Then again clicking on this, again this activity came. So like this, we'll discuss basic program. After that, we'll concentrate on how this happens. Here clearly we can go with this fragment, and this is also here fragment. We'll see how it happens here. See, already we created a project. So now in this project, now I want to split this into two parts. So if I want to split this into two parts, now I can take this as a linear layout. So this linear layout has some orientation, vertical. Again in this, I'm taking a two parts linear layout, match parent, wrap content, and weight 1, and orientation as vertical. Also I'm giving some background color. Background color is color primary, like this. So now within this I have one text view to display this text. So just I'm displaying the text. Hello, we are in activity. Just for information purpose, I'm writing this. I'm closing like this. And after this, here I need one button. So button, match parent, wrap content. So wrap content. Then some ID for the button, BT. Then after this here, text, call F1. From here I'm calling the fragment 1 like this. Then again I want to replace this again, so I replace that again here. But in this I don't want these two will be placed by here. I'm taking the frame layout, match parent, some id for that, id frame, just I'm giving you as a frame. Done. So now what I'll do is this color I'm changing into some different color. Instead of color primary, color asset. See, now this is the fragment part, this is this part. Now what I'll do is I'm writing here Java code for that. So this first case will go without data binding, then after that we'll add data binding for this. See here now, I want to declare this button, means once I click on that button I want to change that. So button, then here button equal to find view by id r dot id dot bt. Done. Then button dot set on click listener, new view dot on click listener. Now here I'm calling the fragment. So that is, if you want that fragment, we need to do fragment transaction. So that fragment transaction is happened with fragment manager. So new support fragment manager, get support fragment manager, get support fragment manager. So here get support fragment manager dot begin transaction. So we started the transaction, and then now here I'm creating one first fragment, that is first frag. My fragment name as the first frag, just I created here first equal to new. This is the declaration of fragment. Fragment is also one of the Java class, so because of that I declared like this. Then this we need to map this fragment transaction dot replace, where it replace r dot id dot, what is id, that frame layout id. I'm replacing this here, I'm replacing this here word first. I'm replacing that with first, then here I'll write simply first dot commit, sorry, fragment transaction dot commit. See, done. With this it's a creation is done. See, then now here I want to create one new class as created. So means I'm creating now one fragment, class as created, and here I'm making as a public, then which extends as fragment, extend as a fragment. So fragment has onCreate view method, created onCreate view method. Once you created onCreate, just I'm creating here view, just I'm creating here view, just I'm creating here view. Just here first you need to create some view we equal to. So here we are inflating the layout using inflator concept here, inflator dot inflate, because here having this layout data. That is, first we are adding this r dot layout dot. So here we need to create one layout. I'm creating layout comma, then from here is a container. See above same case I'm writing here this here. Second one is a view group, and the third here is always it's a null value. Root attached to root is always null. See here, this is the one like this, same saved instance state. Whenever you given this, just directly can return here as a view like this. You can return as here view. See now with this name again we want one XML file. See that XML file here. XML file is created. Just this XML file, I want some text view. So first what it's created, just we can change constant layout to linear layout. Just I change it that has a constant to linear layout. Then here I'm giving you the orientation vertical. Then I want to drag and drop text view, also one button. So what is the text? I'm giving you this text view. I'm giving you here as we are in F1 fragment 1. From here I'll do this call F2. Just I'm saying this. Also for this I'm giving some different background color. Background I'll give IC launcher image like this. So now, so this is sorry false. It's always it's a false. Root element is a false. Now I'm running this application. Up to this we can see this output. Then we can go with the next step. What happens you can see. Now I'm running this project. Once we can see this output, and then we can go next step from here. How to call fragment 2. Here it's saying this we are in a fragment 1. See now it's saying we are in a fragment 1, call F1. See once I call F1 here, that is replaced here. This. Now I want to write action from this F2. So then I want to write action for this means that is there in a first. Here we need to call that. Here we need to declare that button something. Then here we need to call here that button equal to here always we need to call with reference of the view, because we are in a view, we are not in a this. So here find view by id r dot id dot button. So if we are in a main activity, directly I can call this find view by id, but we are in a view, so with reference of the view we need to find. Then here now I'm writing this button dot set on click listener new view dot on click listener like this. Now from here I want to call next fragment. I want to reuse this code. I pasted this. So here first I want to change this as a second frag, means from here again I want to call the second frag like this. So just I'm defining like this, but here it's showing error. Why? Because here fragment calling is whenever we are in a fragment, directly we can call the get fragment manager. When you are in activity, it's required the support. That's why only I copy pasted that. From here again I am creating one more new fragment. Then what I'll do is I want to copy this entire this in this. I pasted here like this. So public means what happened here, just I'm calling this fragment doing this, but here I can change instead of 1 I can go with this second. So then again I'm creating one more this, and also I want to reuse this XML here, XML reuse here call F1 F2. So here we are in F2, here call A2 activity 2 from to call activity 2, but this ID I'll change as a button 1. So here again I want to write the action for this button. Then here it's a button 1. Then I'm calling here. Now from here I want to call intent. So that is here simply intent equal to new intent, then start activity of intent. So fine. Now here one change here, instead of class name here we need to write get activity, means here their context, here context is nothing but here get activity means it directly refers this or that super class. So here from here now I'm writing this third dot class. With the third dot class we are defining this here. Copy this, create one activity. I'm creating now from here activity, new activity, empty activity, third activity. I creating empty activity. So now if I go in a manifest file, only third is this, but first and second fragment could not, means fragments are not activities. We no need to create, no need to declare that, because those all are not components. As we discussed already earlier, components only we are defining in manifest, so it's not, no need to define there. So that is enough this. So now this is done. So now I'm running this application. Now we can see this. In our next tutorial, we can able to check this, what is life cycle and what are the other things are there in this, how these fragments are helpful in our cases, that we can able to see here. See, call F2, call A2, like this. So this is about this intents basic flow. We'll discuss in detail in next tutorials. Thank you.